Hello YouTubers! I've tested another hydrogen lithium-ion battery of 18650 size from Samsung. Its model number is INR18650-15M or just 15M. It's rated at 1500 mAh and supports continuous discharge at up to 23 amps. If you remember, some time ago I've tested LG HB4 and HB6 hydrogen cells also rated at 1500 mAh. Samsung 15M is a direct competitor of those batteries, so you can compare them. But before passing to the test, let's remind you my testing conditions, rules, and show you my equipment. All the tests were done using a special battery tester, the ZKE-Tech EBC820, which supports 4-wire measurement, discharge current up to 20 amps, and it can be connected to a PC for building graphs. I've upgraded my battery holder to the version 3.0. I have made contact pads from 0.5 mm pure copper sheet. The positive terminal is 9 mm wide and the width of negative terminal is 11.5 mm. The pads are designed to provide good connection even with batteries which have deep placed positive or negative contacts. I've followed all the prescriptions of the IEC 61960 standard concerning battery's capacity measurement. The surrounding air temperature was 20-25 centigrades, and before each discharging cycle, the battery was charged at its standard charging current, which is mentioned in its datasheet, and after that it was left for 1 hour minimum, as the standard requires. After discharging cycle, the battery was again left for 1 hour minimum. I buy my batteries from Queen Battery, which is my reliable supplier of genuine batteries. They offer individual approach to each customer and special discounts depending on the quantity you buy. You can find a link to their website and their sales manager's email in the description under this video. The cell which I've tested has the following marking: INR 18650 15M M Samsung SDI EM121. It has the following specs according to its datasheet. Nominal capacity 1500 mAh, minimum capacity 1450 mAh, nominal voltage 3.6 volts, standard charge current 0.75 amps, maximum charge current 4 amps, charge cutoff current 100 mA, charge end voltage 4.20 volts, maximum continuous discharge current 23 amps, discharge cutoff voltage 2.5 volts, AC impedance less than 25 milliohms. Maximum weight 45 grams. The measured weight of my cell was 42.16 grams. Measured DC internal resistance at 1.5 amps in fully charged condition was around 13 milliohms. At 0.2C or 0.3 amps, Samsung 15M's result was 1541 mAh or 5775 mWh. At 5 amp discharge rate, it gave out 1434 mAh or 5105 mWh. At 10 amp discharge, 1432 mAh or 14904 mWh. At 15 amp discharge, 1428 mAh or 4732 mWh. At 20 amp discharge, 1415 mAh or 4555 mWh. The results of the test showed that Samsung 15M is a good performer, and even at 20 amp discharge its curve is beautiful and without any sudden sags. 15M is just a bit behind LG HB6, but take into account that LG's discharge cutoff voltage is 2.0 volts, not 2.5. If we discharge HB6 down to 2.5 volts, its results would be extremely close to those of 15M. That's all for this time. Hit the like button if you find this video interesting and useful, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell next to the subscribe button to receive notifications about new videos. See you guys!